Hello, my dear friends. How are you today? I hope everybody is good. Today, I want to show you about the some plant like that. Right now, you are looking at this plant also. This plant is very famous in Thailand now, and people want to buy a lot. Have a lot of demand of this plant. This plant name is Chai Chon. Chai, I want to show there have the written the name also in Thai language. You can see. I want to try to show you. There have the written the name, and this plant is very expensive plant also. You can see the colors of this leaves. There have the red, white, green, and there have the many dots in the leaves. In this plant have the only 5 leaves, but price is very high. Like that you can think one leaves is 1000 baht. Means there have the 5 leaves and total price of this plant is 5000 baht to up. But right now is we are take care of this plant. If we can take care of this plant maybe 2 months or 3 months, after that about 20,000 baht of this plant maybe. So I want to share my idea about this plant. I just bought from to market maybe 2 weeks ago, and this plant is beautiful looking also, and just be a change the pot for beautiful looking, and also they have the putted the material for the growth up very well about this plant. And we have the many types of plant, many kinds of plant, many varieties of plant, but I want to explain about this plant in another video. I want to show you another types of plant and another types of quality of that plant. But in this plant you can see, if you want to search on internet also, you can search from to Google and you can write the name of this plant Chai Chon in Thai language, in English language. After you search, after you write, you can search and you can find the price, real price of this plant. What is the price of market price? Then you will know the real thing also. I'm showing about this plant because I just bought from to market and we are liked, so we are bought this plant. This plant, if you want to buy, you can contact also from to me. And about the another plant, if you want to buy also, you can contact with us. You can write in the comment, you can like, you can share with your friend, you can also subscribe my channel. Which plant you want, you can write in the comment, then you can share with me. I want this plant, then I will show you, I will tell to you about the price that plant is, which types of price. Then I can share the idea about that plant, that is why you can buy, what is the profit for buy, like that. In this plant is the very beautiful looking. You can see the different than another plant. You can see there have the many types of plant and expensive plant also. Just I want to show today I have the target to share the idea about Chai Chon plant only. But you can see in this video have the many types of plant. You can see next plant is this one. This one is also expensive plant. You can see that this plant, you can write in the comment what is the name of this plant, what is the name of this plant also. Also you can share the idea about this plant if you know the name. But in the another video I will record about another plant. You can see there have the expensive plant. You can see that this plant also very beautiful looking, red leaves and very expensive also. You can see that this plant just today we are bought, today we are bought this plant. You can see this plant in Thailand is very famous now, and demand a lot about the all types of plant. Thank you very much for watching this video and know about the some plant. See you.